There's my good friend Ed Cates. We were out to a meeting in New Hampshire. In fact, at one time in my career, he was my boss for when I was buying wood in Dover. There was 4 of us went out to New Hampshire to I don't know, it was OSHA maybe, I'm not sure. But Ed had grown up, part of his childhood. He lived in, well, whatever the hell this town is in New Hampshire, right near Mount Washington. And he knew about this, what they call these cathedral rocks or something like that. I think that's what, although we did go up Mount Washington that day, drove up, but I think this is that Cathedral Rock, and I took his picture here. He lives down East Machias. There's a little big lake down there, Gardner Lake, and he has a house that's on the side of the lake there. Yeah, very, very good friend.